A former Mississippi governor versus an online news site. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Troy Johnson.
And I'm Megan West. The Mississippi Supreme Court considering whether to reinstate a defamation lawsuit former Governor Phil Bryant filed against Mississippi Today. 16 WAPT's Ross Adams joins us live from the state Supreme Court, where the justices heard oral arguments this afternoon. Ross, what happened?
We heard strong words from lawyers from the former governor accusing reporters at Mississippi Today of engaging in false, defamatory, and malicious reporting. On the other side, those reporters, they say, were engaged in uncovering public information requests and trying to get to the answers of what all those text messages involving that scandal were all about. Mississippi Today star reporter Anna Wolf was awarded the prestigious Pulitzer Prize after the online news site's extensive, in-depth, and revealing reporting on Mississippi's massive $77 million welfare fraud scandal. Former Governor Phil Bryant was not happy how he was portrayed in some of the subsequent coverage. Bryant has now filed a lawsuit against Wolf and two others, including the former editor of Mississippi Today, claiming they accuse Bryant of committing felony crimes.
The statements at issue here are false, they are defamatory, and they were made with actual malice.
At issue is a series of 10 articles Mississippi Today published about the welfare scandal. Bryant's attorneys argue accusations in those articles that Bryant embezzled money to benefit his family and the well-connected were intentionally defamatory and malicious.
We pleaded all of them. Who made the statement? What's the statement? To whom was the statement directed?
In April 2025, a Madison County judge dismissed the lawsuit after the court ruled Bryant and his wife didn't allege actual malice.
In construing not only the statement, but also the underlying facts supporting it.
Mississippi Today lawyers argue everything it reported was based on research, public records requests, interviews, and text messages that uncovered Bryant communicating with other people caught up in the scandal.
In the record, Your Honor, it says Ms. Wolf, the reporter, filed 80 public records requests in researching for this story. This was not a fly-by-night operation.
A Mississippi College School of Law professor who teaches First Amendment law believes Bryant, as a former public official, faces a huge challenge.
My read on this is that the actual malice standard is a very high standard, and it will be a difficult one for plaintiffs to meet.
Lawyers for Bryant want the case sent back to Madison County for a jury trial. They say if they're successful, they plan to collect monetary damages. They claim Mississippi Today was engaged in a 4-year campaign to ruin the former governor's reputation. For now, we're live at the state Supreme Court. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.
Okay, Ross, thank you. You can find more about Bryant's defamation lawsuit on our website and the 16 WAPT mobile app.